There we go. Finally, I had to get away from that copyrighted music, guys. They play lots of copyrighted music up inside Walmart. They do not be playing. They be in there jamming. Alright, so that was a super easy shop and deliver right there. Turn this radio down. Don't turn it all the way down. This one I think is going like 7 miles away. It's my first Walmart Spark order of the day too. Let's see. Got a 7-mile delivery distance on this one. Let's see. I need to get some hotspot going so my internet can get a chance to kick on. Shout out to all the people we got in the building already. Thank you for joining the stream early. I was actually scheduled to go on at 12 noon, but I was like, you know what? I'm finna go in here and shop these couple items real quick. I'm about to go ahead and get it in. Let's see. Looks like my stream is having issues now. I'll give it a second. It'll come back on. Come on, YouTube. What you got for me? Uh-oh. Looks like we having stream issues. We're just going to get that Wi-Fi connection a little bit of time to kick in. Hopefully we don't lose you guys here. But if we do, we'll start it back up. No worries right there. Shout out to the 14 people we got up in here now. Appreciate you guys for stopping by. Couple things on my mind today. What up, though? What up, Ken? Let me just hop in the chat real quick. Shout out to Ken. I see we got Aaron Lopez in here. What up, what up? I did see that comment you left me earlier. Thank you. My man, Drewski. We got brand new channel member, Samantha Harvey. What's up, Samantha? We got DMF, Rhonda Bird. My man, Noah Nomad. Shout out to Noah. Shout out to Boots. We got Giggity in the building. Yes, sir. And as always, Cheeky Chops in the building. What's up, everybody? Hope you guys having a great day out there. Hopefully my stream ain't messing up all the way because I can't see nobody. What is going on? Can y'all see me? Let me get a thumbs up in the chat if you can see me. Give me a thumbs up if you can see me because I can't see nothing. What is going on? What is really going on, YouTube? Why can't I see nothing? I can't see nothing at all. Not even in the slightest. Let's get this order dropped off and we'll get everything else figured out. But YouTube, I'm gonna need y'all to fix y'all app, man, because I be trying to get it in, and if y'all live stream capabilities ain't working today, let me know something. Cause I'll go ahead and switch over to StreamYard. It looks like that might be what we gotta do today, cause I still don't see nothing. Well, either way, it's all good. Y'all can still ride along with me and we can chop it up for a second. We need 4 more orders on Walmart Spark to hit this little center. YouTube is geeking. What is going on? And I still can't see nothing. Oh man, we finna have one of them kind of days. Hold on, maybe if I close the app down and reopen it, maybe that'll do something for me. Yes, I know I'm live. They say you're live right now. I know that, but I can't see nothing. It look like I'm frozen, YouTube. Oh man. It's finna be one of them days, y'all. It's finna be one of them days. Cause I can't see anything. How am I supposed to conduct a live stream if I can't see nothing?